Hey, it's Hot Rod again, the freaking Eagle. I just had to make another video of this Firebird here. You're not going to believe what somebody did with the headers. I've never seen this before. Maybe somebody knows something I don't. But look, this was, I wonder why it didn't sound any louder than it did. But look what they did with the headers. The collectors went over to the other pipe, was coming back with a smaller diameter. I don't understand that unless they're doing something like a NASCAR setup. I don't know. So I started. It sounds a little better. Bolted the seat down so I won't flip backwards. It sounds to me like it's got a Ram Air 4 cam in it. I'm piddling with this today, and then I'm going to go up there and start on the Corvette. I still have to paint it all underneath and everything. Put some more parts back on it. I just walk out the house and say, well, I'm going to work on this a little bit today. That's it for today. Well, maybe not.